Hello, welcoming you all back to your video lecture series on strategic human resource management. I am Pavitra, working as assistant professor at the Department of Business Administration UG at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In our lecture series on strategic human resource management, we have seen past two videos on strategic management process. Further, we have discussed about environmental scanning process, and today in this video we will be discussing about strategy formulation and implementation. So without any more delay, let's get into today's video on strategy formulation and implementation process. So in our previous video we have been discussing about environmental scanning process. In that we have discussed about SWOT analysis, how to analyze organization internal and external factors using SWOT analysis. We have discussed in our previous video. So in our previous video we have seen an example of introducing a new showroom, brand new showroom of mine, and what would be my internal strength and weakness in the external opportunities and threats. All these we have been identified. So with this regard, I am going to formulate a strategy in regard to make my plan into an action. So how do I formulate a strategy? So now I have a set of internal factors and external factors data with me. So in this analysis I have identified my strength and weakness. What have I identified as my strength? My strength is that I have a set of loyal customers to me. In a short duration of time I have a reputed customers among me, and when I introduce a new showroom I will get a wide range of new customers and my market would be expanded. This is my strength. So talking about the weakness with our strength, so let us compare our strength with opportunity. What is my opportunity? So my opportunity is that my market will be increased, my consumers, new customers will be arriving. So what acted as my threat or weakness? So weakness is I have just started a showroom, and immediately in a short span of time I'm starting a brand new showroom of mine. So in this regard there is a possibility of challenge, whereas the new market would not reach as much as I have expected, or else a decision that I have made in this short span of time would give me a challenge. So these are my threats. In this regard I have analyzed my strength and opportunities, and I have analyzed my threats and weakness. So with this regard I will be formulating a strategy, whereas that I'm going to form a new showroom. So firstly I have to analyze my customers, analyze the customers in that market. So if I'm starting a new showroom in a place called XYZ Nagar, so I have to analyze the particular area and how would be the sales in that particular area. I have to analyze that. So I have to analyze the customers review. I have to get customer feedbacks in this regard. So with that I will be making a set of strategy. Okay, let us start a showroom and make a plan to increase my customers, make a plan to attract new customers, and this would be a strategy. I will be making a set of action plans. So this is called as a strategic formulation process. Speaking about strategic implementation, so strategic implementation is nothing but it is a process of implementing all our plans into an action. So I would have been made a set of plans that I should have been made plans that to be made into an action. So in this regard, whatever plans that I have been made, I have to follow all those plans and formulate my employees besides me towards the goal, and make a proper organizational structure in regard to attain those particular goals or objectives, and in this regard I will reach my particular objective or mission. So this is about strategic implementation. So in our lecture series we have been discussed about what is strategies, what is strategic management process, environmental scanning process, how to analyze the internal and external factors inside the organization, and we have been discussed about strategy formulation and strategy implementation process. So in our next video we will be discussing about strategic human resource management system and types of strategic management in our next coming videos. So thank you, and see you all soon in the next video of various new managerial topics and informations. Thank you.